Okay, boys and girls, the other day we talked about mixed numbers, okay? A mixed number is any whole number and a fraction. So here we have a whole number, 1, and then we have a fraction, 3/4, and that's called a mixed number. Now, I'm going to show you how to change a mixed number to an improper fraction. Improper fraction, okay? And it goes like this. Our first step is to model. We're going to model 1 3/4, okay? So you're going to need 2 rectangles because you have 1, you have to model a whole, and then you have to model 3/4. And what are we talking about? How many pieces do we divide these up into? Are we talking about 7ths? Are we talking about 12ths? No, we're talking about fourths. So because I have 4 as a denominator, that means I split these up into 4 pieces. And remember, 4 pieces, I draw 3 lines. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And now I have 2 perfect models. They're about the same size, and I need to model 1. Well, we know 1 is 4/4, right? That's a whole. And so that's 4/4. 4 are shaded out of 4 total, 4/4. And then I can't forget about the fraction, 3/4. So I have 1 3/4, okay? And so I have 4/4 and 3/4. 1 whole, 4/4, and then 3/4. And so all I do is add those together. 4 plus 3 is what? Right, 7. That's my new numerator. And remember, my denominator doesn't change. It stays the same. So this is my improper fraction, 7/4. And that's all there is to it. Now let's do another one, okay? So let's do 2 1/3. So I'm going to model it first, and this always helps to write the models. So I need 2 wholes, so 2 rectangles, and then my fraction, 1/3. So again, do I split this up into fourths or fifths? No, my denominator is 3, so I just split it up into thirds. And if I'm splitting it up into thirds, I draw 2 lines. Okay, perfect. Now I have my model, and they're split into thirds, so I need to shade in 1 whole, 3/3. That's for one of my wholes. Right here I have 2, and I have to do it again. So there's 2 wholes, right? And then I model my fraction, 1/3. 1 is shaded out of 3 total. And now let's go ahead and add them. So I have 3/3 plus 3/3 plus 1/3. Okay. And so I just add those straight across. 3 plus 3 plus 1 is 7. And then remember, the denominator doesn't change. And so that's my improper fraction. Okay, so we're going to be working on this. I hope that helps. Remember, I make these videos for you, not for me. I know how to do this already. I make them for you. And so if you don't get it the first time, watch the video again. Watch it 2 times, watch it 3 times. Watch it with your brother, watch it with your mom. And if you watch it a couple different times, hopefully you'll get it. So this is our mixed number, 1 3/4. And the same improper fraction is 7/4, okay? So that's one example. And then we have 2 1/3, our mixed number, and that turns into an improper fraction, 7/3, okay? So we're gonna practice, practice, practice. All right, thanks for watching, boys and girls.